Introduction, welcome to my pet care. We love animals and continue to take care of the pets. In this presentation, we will learn about our shop and how we care for the pets. Type of pets are suitable. And pet shop create many working pets for you. You can find those birds as right and small animals. All of them are healthy and fit ready for your house. So you check it out. This is about my equipment and buy for myself in the shop. We offer special discounts on pet food, toys, and grooming. Join our loyalty buy. You can buy use your points to get free gift or big discount. We love to reward your loyal customers. This is for my promotion.
Wow.
The conclusion, thank you for learning about pet shop. K8, we care about pet and want to help you take care of them. Visit us to find our perfect pet and enjoy our great service.
Ay, umilit siya sa akin, Choy. Oh my God.
Thank you and everyone for listening to my side.